How to start Emotes Only Chat on Twitch stream. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. For that you need to open Chrome or any browser where your Twitch account is logged. So I will simply search for Twitch. Here I will simply click on Twitch website. Here I will simply click on my profile pic. Now here I will simply click on creator dashboard. Now I will simply click on stream manager. Here I will see option quick action. So here I will simply click on plus icon. Now here I will simply add emotes, toggle emote only chat. Once I click on it, after that I will simply click on cross. Now here I will simply click again on emotes only chat. Once you click on that in live stream, your chats will be converted to emotes only. Thanks for watching.